Alright guys, welcome back. We are here in Las Vegas, staying at the Excalibur Hotel and Casino here in Las Vegas, Nevada. So as you all know, the Excalibur is right on the boulevard, Tropicana, Las Vegas Boulevard. A little bit more of a budget type of hotel, if that's what you would want to call it. But pretty standard when it comes to most rooms here in Las Vegas. So if you notice over to the left-hand side when you come in, you have the bathroom. So I'll kind of give you a little look around here just to see what it's like. Pretty standard in Vegas when it comes to bathrooms. I mean, they're really not too differently, or let's say differently set up than one from another. Basically, this is what you would expect when you come to Las Vegas at one of these resorts or casinos. So you see myself there in the mirror. But this is the bathroom. I'll take you out to the room. We got a nice, huge mirror, full-length mirror, to be able to see yourself and what you look like before you go out to the boulevard. As you know, with Vegas, very standard safe in almost every single room. You have a closet area here. I actually have my heavy winter jacket right here because it was rather cold on the way out here. So glad that I had my heavy winter jacket, but did get a lot of weird looks because it's like 75 degrees in Las Vegas and I'm wearing a winter jacket. But it was -11 where I came from, so a little bit colder. So this is your standard double queen room. We already checked the beds, obviously, for bed bugs and things like that. No bed bugs to report in this room review, but pretty standard on what you would expect to see in Las Vegas with the double queen. We have the Samsung flat panel TV, which is very standard, but it is name brand, so that is definitely a plus. We have a little bit of a cabinet pull-out area to store clothes and things like that. Now, if you want to rent a mini fridge, you can definitely do that and stow it away in that far right little corner there. But we have our little workstation, so to speak. This is going to be where the YouTube content is going to be coming from for the next few days. So that's where all the video editing will take place, and I have an awesome view to look at, and I'll show you that here in a minute because nobody gives a shit about the room review. The only thing they want to see is what kind of view they're gonna expect to see. So we'll save the best for last. We'll definitely do that. Right now I'm doing a time lapse of Las Vegas Boulevard with my Hero 5. Right now we're recording on the Hero 6 in 4K at 60 frames per second. So this will be a nice addition to the strip walks and things like that, the walkthroughs that we do with the casinos and hotels. So we brought A-game equipment here to do this this trip with all these videos that we have planned. But enough talking, let's check out the view. So actually I lucked out. It is my birthday, which you have to give them your driver's license anyway, so that's what most people look at, is when you were born. And the guy noticed it was my birthday and kind of helped me out. So if you notice, I have a strip facing view. Right below here is Las Vegas Boulevard right there. The Tropicana's right there, and if you look this way, I know it's kind of hard to see with the angle, but right there is MGM. You have New York down there. Basically right down here, this intersection right there is Flamingo and Las Vegas Boulevard. Like I said, I got the time lapse set up, so let's check in here what we got on this. We got a 41-second time lapse, which is more than enough. So we'll go ahead and kill that camera. But I just wanted to do a room review here of the Excalibur in Las Vegas. I've never stayed here, first time staying here. So far, pretty impressed. I think I only paid like $19 a night, so not too terribly expensive for this room. But I have a hell of a view here of Las Vegas Boulevard and Tropicana, basically the intersection. It's so far, I'm loving the room. We'll see how the views look like in the daylight and give you sort of an update and things like that. But this will do it for the Las Vegas room review of the Excalibur Hotel and Casino here in Las Vegas, Nevada. I hope you all enjoyed. Thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe.